about gratitude as we're wrapping up this month of November, and I am thankful for the body of Christ. I'm thankful that together as the body of Christ, we've been able to do amazing things this past year. We've fed hundreds and hundreds of homeless people. We have put clothes on hundreds and hundreds of people. We've helped our local schools do incredible things by getting clothes to them and food to them and help them at their campuses. We have done a lot in our community. We have had incredible ministry here at this church. I am thankful for the body of Christ. I'm also thankful for our staff, our team here. Our team is amazing. I love working with this group of people. We'll have one thing on mind. We want to do the will of the Father through Heights Church, and it's amazing. And so let me read to you out of Philippians 2. And I love the way this sums it up. It says, therefore, if you have any encouragement from being united with Christ, any comfort from his love, if any common sharing in the Spirit, if any tenderness and compassion, then make my joy complete by being like-minded, having the same love, being one in spirit and one in mind. Do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit, rather in humility, value others above ourselves, not looking to your own interest, but each of you to the interest of others. That is such embodies the spirit of our staff here and everyone at our church. And as a pastor, I always like to have illustrations. So here's what I want to do. Let me take you on a real quick trip because I have something I want to show you. Because, illustration is the best way for you and I to learn. And so I want to show you just who I am thankful for. Check this out. These are the people I am thankful for. We love you guys. Thank you for all you've done, and we'll see you next time.